Yes, hello everybody, myself Sarvishta Shah. Today I am going to teach standard 11th commerce and 11th science. Poem number 1, photograph. Poem number 1, photograph. It is written by Shirley Tulson. Is a realistic poetess who has always written the real concepts of life, relations with life, and she has always tried to convince the reader with the real feelings of life, with all the relations in our life. Now, in this poem, our poetess Shirley Tulson is showing respect for mother, showing complete connection with mother. First of all, whatsoever I will speak, little bit it will be completely paraphrase. And keep in mind that in this new paper style, you have to write either paraphrase of the poem or central idea. Again, I am repeating my word, listen me carefully. In this new paper style, you have to write paraphrase of the poem or paraphrase of the given lines of the poems. Paraphrase means whatsoever lines are given in front of you or written in front of you, you have to explain every line word by word. So listen me carefully. And central idea means after reading whole poem, what 3, 2, 3, 1 important concepts you are getting in your mind, that is central idea. So keep difference in your mind. What is paraphrase and what is central idea? The central of the idea of the poem is that all are having very important part of parents in their life, and we are hardly able to forget our parents. And the paraphrase of the poem, I am speaking now, listen me carefully. Now in this lesson, the poet is having one photograph of mother, and as you are knowing that we all are just now habitual of, I am saying word habitual, of selfies. So there is no importance of photographs. But few years back, you can say many years back, photographs were very crucial, because that time that one photograph was taken and it was completely kept in touch with for whole life. So now the poet is having that photograph in living room, and the poetess is seeing that photograph, and she is always remembering mother. The poet was having her photograph with her two cousins. Now poet is explaining what her mother has explained to her when she was seeing the photograph. Poetess tell that mother explained that in this photograph, her mother is with two cousin sisters, Betty and Dolly. Keep name in your minds. In this poetess said that the mother was two cousin sisters, Betty and Dolly. On that day when they were enjoying on the beach, they both were holding poetess mother's hand. It means Betty and Dolly were holding poet's mother's hand on the beach. The elder cousin was 12 years old. All three were smiling and standing still on the beach for that photograph. All three means Betty, Dolly, and poetess mother was standing in beach, and they were ready to have this snap. Now it was her grandmother's photograph before her birth. Now as I told you that this is mother's young age, and that time she was not married. So whensoever the mother was seeing that photograph, she was always seeing with smile on her face. The poetess said that today also that sea is same. That sea which was there when mother was standing in front of the sea with Betty and Dolly, that sea is today also same when the poet is going to the beach. The poetess said that she was washing her mother's leg. It was done 20-30 years back. When mother saw that snap in front of poetess, that time the mother was laughing all seeing Betty's photo. She say how Dolly was looking on that day. Then mother explained to the poetess that on that day, Betty, Dolly, both were well dressed, both were completely ready for the photograph. Mother told that they were nicely dressed for that beach photograph because it is already pre-planned. As I told you that in few years back, taking photographs was very important, very memorable concept. Now the poetess is saying that her mother's past and laughter were not there. It means now poetic is little bit sentimental. She is saying that now her mother is also not with her and mother's laughter also not. Up to now, mother went over sitting with poetess. She was seeing the photograph. She is talking about Betty. She is talking about Dolly. And she is always explaining how they were dressed. She is always explaining all the activities and she was having complete laughter on face. But now the poetess is very sad that now I am not having my mother also and I am not having my mother's laughter also. And it was very painful for poetess to bear that. Mother is dead. So since last many years, poet is always seeing that still photograph and completely trying to understand mother's love by heart. Now, as a daughter, she knew with that mother's death is completely a painful concept of life, and she understands that with mother only everything has gone, and that love, that feeling only able her to write this poem. So now mother, no feelings and no wordings. I mean to say that mother was with her, she was completely enjoying the life, understanding the life, and everything was with her, all the happiness of her life. But now no mother means nothing. So we all are having feelings like this. And finally I want to say that photograph silence make poetess completely quiet. When we are seeing the photograph, when we are trying to understand all the given information from the photographs, but when photograph is in front of us, it is completely non-living thing. So now poet is finally saying, my mother's photograph is silent. My mother's photograph is silent. It means that photograph is not speaking. So poet is keeping that words in front of us, that my mother also gone dead, and now photograph also completely silent. It is not reflecting that all feelings that my mother was sharing with me. So everybody, love your parents, love your mother, and if you are loving mother, you are indirectly loving your God. Now again I want to giving you homework and points you should remember. Homework means you have to do in written manner. So make one notebook and write also what I am telling you. Question number 1, write about the photograph. Question number 2, what was captured by the camera? Question number 3, why did the mother laugh at the snapshot? Question number 4, write about the 3 stages of mother's life. And final question that you have to do in every poem, write central idea of the poem. And question number 6, write paraphrase of the poem. Again I am giving you difference in between central idea and paraphrase. Central idea means only one catch line, and paraphrase means you have to explain each and every line of the poem. Thank you everybody for listening me. God bless you all. Have a nice time. Bye. See you. If